Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM into this phone. So, to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM eject tool, similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, chain out one of the ends, and it should work just as well as this little tool. Now, once you have either one of those, and then pop out the tray. Now, we do need to take off case first. When you do, the tray will be located at the bottom of the device, which you can see right here. So grab either paperclip or this tool, find the little insert area, which is the one near the corner of the phone, push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to yoink it out. Now, as you can see on the tray, we have space for just two different SIM cards, so one on each side. Grab your card, place it on the tray, and make sure it's clipped in correctly. It shouldn't be protruding from the tray, and if you flip it upside down, it should definitely not be falling out of the tray. From there, we can pop it back into our device. There we go. Get a SIM card pin, as my card is protected, so I do need to confirm it to unlock it. And now it should be working. Now, one more thing to keep in mind here, I believe we do have eSIM. So this is under mobile network and turn on eSIM. So you can see we can turn it on in here. Now, this will matter because depending on if you're using a physical SIM card, if you placed it on the bottom tray or SIM spot number 2, and you turn on eSIM, that card will become, or that tray specifically, will become unavailable. So it basically swaps out the bottom tray for digital SIM card, and that bottom tray becomes unusable. So make sure that if you're planning to use a SIM card, at least one and one eSIM, that the SIM card is on the SIM spot number 1, which is the top one. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.